Welcome to the short video on Thai greetings by Lingo Ninja. In this video you will learn how to say hello in Thai, establish a better connection to Thai speakers and immediately get a friendly reply. This video is by Lingo Ninja, the best place to learn Thai. Let's look at how to say hello in Thai. The quick answer is women say
สวัสดีค่ะ
like this.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Men say
สวัสดีครับ
or
สวัสดีครับ
like this.
สวัสดีครับ
Now you might have the following questions. First, what is the exact meaning of these words? Second, why is there a difference between women and men? Third, in which situations can you use that? And fourth, what's that greeting gesture? So, let's look at the meaning first. Sawadi means hello, but it also means goodbye. Sawadi itself is the pronunciation. And the letters in the brackets are the Thai tones. If you're new to Thai, just ignore them. Ka, kap and kap are polite words. Ka is used by women, krap is used by men, and kap is an informal or shortened version of krap. That explains why women and men have different greetings. Let's check out when to use this greeting. Obviously, we use it when we say hello, but we also use it as a goodbye. And lastly, for all other types of greetings, like good morning, good day, good evening, you simply say Sawadee ka, Sawadee krap, or Sawadee kap. When we look at the situations, we distinguish between formal, like visiting a police station, going to the immigration office, or visiting a temple, and informal or casual situations like shopping or going out with friends. The greetings you learned now are mainly used in formal situations, except for Sawadee Kap, which is casual. There is a shortened version of Sawadee, which is just Wati, so you would say Wati Ka, Wati Kap, and Wati Kap, and this is a much more casual version. Finally, let's look at the greeting gesture. The gesture itself is called Y, and it is performed by putting your hands in a praying position. If you want to be polite, you bow forward, but in normal situations, it's enough just to nod your head. There's a 2,300-year-old Chinese proverb saying, "What I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. And what I do, I understand." If you're serious about learning Thai, then go to lingoninja.com for professional grade but free Thai lessons. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook feed, or our Twitter feed. And if you have suggestions what we should cover in our next video, just leave a comment below.